Hey guys, I'm back again. What's going on? How y'all doing? How you been? Yeah, y'all know. Yeah, I was coming back, alright. I've been doing them videos this week though, for real. I've been on it, right? I have left my Sephora haul and my Bath and Body Works haul. I think I'll just do that video right after this video, if y'all don't mind seeing me, you know, looking the same in two videos. I really just want to get that Bath and Body Works stuff open out and put up for real. But today, right now, yeah, I got my BoxyCharm box yesterday. It almost never ever comes early, so I almost did this video in scrubs last night. I'm so for real. if my makeup had, you know, been through the ringer, I would have jumped on here and it would have been on. So anyway, let's pop this box open so I can share with you guys what we got. If y'all don't have a BoxyCharm by now, y'all slipping. I'm telling you, $20. This stuff in this box I already added up was like $138 something total. And you're only spending $21 for the box. What y'all tripping on? For real. For real. I mean, and you get some real, the majority of everything I've got, at least every month I get one or two things that come from Sephora. I get a couple of random things, but $138 and you only spend $21. Y'all tripping. For real. I'm just saying, if you don't have it. Oh, it's a 20% off pharmacy coupon on the back of here. And a 20% off Wonder Beauty on the back. But I'll leave a link down below if you guys so choose to subscribe. And if you're not, y'all better crawl under that rock because you're missing it. This is the best subscription box. I remember back when what was the name of that box? I was just talking to Desi. We said something about a month ago. I cannot remember the box. Onyx, the Onyx box, and I thought it was the bomb. The first two boxes were great. Then every month after that, you might get the June box in July. July box come middle of August. I was like, okay, you know, I'm done with that. That's been about 6-7 years ago. So that's why I was late on the BoxyCharm box, because I didn't want to go through that again. But BoxyCharm be on it. And this month, I got my box on the 12th. And usually it's probably the 15th, 16th. But I'm happy that it's here on time. And I absolutely love this box. So let me quit talking so much. And the first thing on here is this Pores Needles No More Baggage by Dr. Branded. This is like the third Dr. Branded product that we've gotten in a box. And I did put this under my eyes today, but I don't have bags under my eyes, so I can't say it didn't work. So I tried it, it just didn't work for me. But I did try to put on the bag over my eyes, but it wasn't made for that, so that didn't work. So that fat meat's still out there. I'm just saying. And then how much was this thing? This thing here was $42 by itself. And I think we got Needles No More, no, Pores No More, a primer, a pore filler, and those all Dr. Brandon. You can only get them at Sephora, and well, you probably can get them somewhere else, but they come at Sephora. I don't know if the Dr. Branded brand has its own line. I mean, I know they have it online, but their own website where you can order from. But I know they high, and they in every box, so this box is worth it. And then I got this Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. It says it's $26, but I remember getting this in my Ipsy box before I canceled it, and it had a little, yeah, brow stuff in the bottom, and then at the top it was your little brush. But I lost it. I don't think I ever used it, because for one, I was looking at it real stupid. I didn't think to take the bottom off, like, where's the product? But I don't know. I don't know how it worked out. And I already have my brows done, so I don't know what good this gonna do. But I will try it this time. I was just so taken aback with Ipsy. It's just not for me. That's a whole nother story. And I don't really think this is worth $26. But that's what this company is selling for. That's their business. That don't mean I gotta buy it. I'm just saying. And then the next thing I see in here is a mascara by Wonder Beauty. It says Unleashed Volume Curl Mascara. It looks like this. And this mascara retails for $24. So it's a cute little tube. I wonder if this little tube gonna make sure. Ooh, a little curvy looking brush. It's got a little hook on it. I ain't no wrong with a little hook. Maybe it'll help me grab y'all quick. Maybe grab these little lashes better. But again, I already have I jabbed myself and I already have on mascara. So I don't know how this actually works, but I will be trying it. And mascara, it's mascara, so you know what I'm saying? I will add it to the stash. I got so many mascaras, it will go in there happily, y'all. Somebody always call. It's like they be knowing I'm doing a video and then they want to call and interrupt the video. That's why they get the dial tone. Yeah, I'm just saying. And then the next thing I see in here is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with argan oil in it by a company called Note. That's how the box looks. For all skin tones. All day long with argan oil. Argan oil. It also brightens your face with a formula that does not dry the skin. Made in Germany. We'll see. This says it's $11.99. Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk. It's the color is Desert Rose. That's what this looks like. And oh, it has a little mirror. It's a little bulky. Oh, it's got to be something under there. Ah, it is a baby brush. These little baby brushes, they don't usually do much for me. But this is what it looks like. And it has a tiny mirror in there as well. Move my big fingers out the way. Yeah. That's a real pretty peachy blush. I'm going to put this on. I didn't put on that much blush today. These last 3 BoxyCharm boxes, I believe BoxyCharm stepping up their game. That's a good, yes. Okay, yeah, I'm telling y'all, this box is still available. I'm telling you if you want it. And then the last thing, did I tell y'all that was $11.99? The last thing in my box for July, I don't see the price. Oh, there it is a Crown Brush Fugo eyeshadow collection. It says it retails for $29.99. Pro Crown. That's what it says. I don't know who Cicely is. Made up of rich, warm tone shades. This creamy, highly pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create the infinite, flawless eye look. Well, I don't know about that. But I did use this palette today. Where did I do with the palette? Y'all, the palette is over there. It's over there. I'm gonna go get it. Give me a minute. Let me go grab it. Okay, I know somebody like, what's over there? My makeup catastrophe is over there. Because that's what it looks like right now. That's what's over there. That's why I got this huge, what is it, a Hollywood mirror. That's where I sit to put my makeup on. And I can't even see a clean spot on it. So that's something I'm going to be doing this weekend for real. But anyway, here is the palette. That's what it looks like on the inside. There's nothing on the back. Palette, they have no names. There is a small mirror in there. Let me turn it upside down so I can let you guys see the shades. That's what they look like up close. And I did use this palette today. I used this color here, this real, let me see if it'll swatch. I used that shade on the lids, and then I used this burgundy to darken it up, and I used this deep dark, and then I put a little bit of this brow bone. This I don't know what color it is. Looks like that. Swatch it. It looks like that. I put a little of that to highlight, and I think it's a nice palette. It's not too bad actually. This highlight, this lid color I used, it is, y'all can see that it is really pretty. It's really pretty, but you have to build the shadows up. They don't just come off. And I'm gonna say they came from me using the Urban Decay Born This Way palette. That is another palette. I'm gonna just speak the truth. It is the bomb.com. If you didn't have that Bomb This Way palette and you've been on the fence about getting a palette, I ain't gonna name no palettes that you really can skip, but that Born This Way palette is the business. It's the bee's knees. I really like it. It doesn't take much effort to get the shadows to apply, and they come off really pigmented, and they are super easy to blend. I absolutely love that Born This Way palette. I had to take a break from it. I've been using it every day since I got it. I had to take a break from it to use this. Now this morning I did get up because I was going thinking about switching jobs again. I know, y'all, I'm trying to find something that I like, and I was supposed to be going to a interview, which is it's a kind of different kind of job. I'll end up, let's just say, flying all over the world. We'll talk about it later if I get it. If I don't, I ain't gonna say nothing else about it because I'm gonna be bummed. But I'm really kind of excited about it. Just been thinking about, now what am I gonna do with Yoshi while I'm on the road traveling 5 days a week? I'll be in one state for 5 days, and I come home Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I'll leave again Monday. And I thought that was really exciting, but that's neither here nor there. But anyway, that's the end. I just felt like talking today, y'all. That's the end of this haul. Like I said, I really do like this palette, and this palette retails for, oh, they say $29, but it's okay. It's not like, I'm really blown away by the Urban Decay palette. There's just nothing can top it. I used those little $10 palettes this morning. The shimmer is great on them. The ones I got from Shop Miss A, they real nice. It's kind of like on the same level. I guess they price worthy, but to be in the box, and you only pay $21 for the box, so this is still a great deal. So either way, y'all, I think I'm gonna quit yapping on here in this video, and I'm gonna come right back, and we're gonna open these boxes that I have from Bath and Body Works. And I'll probably try to get that haul up for Saturday. And no, don't be talking about I had the same clothes on for 2 days. I'm doing the same video on the same day. I'm just not going to upload them at the same day, so y'all won't get tired of looking at me. Alright, y'all, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.